Hey folks, welcome back in. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to MVP Fishing. Welcome back to the river. It's Thanksgiving Day. Happy Turkey Day. Gobble, gobble, gobble. We got a nice little fire burning over here on the side. Yeah, I'm not even going to try today. It's like 35 degrees for a high. So like 8-10 mile per hour winds. Let's get the fire going first. So got the rod set up here. I'm seeing I actually see 3 grass carp back there. So get the rods. I've got everything baited up. Let's just get them out of here. No time like the present. And make sure I don't cast on the left side because you know that don't work. We're down about another 1.5 feet from the last trip. And I just put split shot rigs. Appreciate you folks coming in. I'm going to have worm on this bait caster. And I'm going to have corn on that one. I ain't got many worms. I only got like 5 or 6 bites. So keep fingers crossed on this one. They didn't quite hook on here. Got some little greenies, some little white worms. Just a mutt of different types of. Ooh, that didn't feel good. Yeah, that didn't feel great. All right, I think that will do it. Both rods are set. I'm seeing some fish down here. I'm definitely seeing some fish. I mean, it might just be 35 degrees, but I don't think these fish care. Yeah, they're just little split shot rigs kind of holding back in this back current. There's some big grass carp over here to the right, but where they are, ooh, Lord, trying to get 20, 30 pound grass carp out of that spot, that's not going to happen. You can basically get them with a cast net, how close they are to the bank. But they're buried in some stuff back there. That feels better. Yeah, I got a pile of firewood, so all we have to do is just, keep throwing a couple sticks on here from time to time. And I got to watch this because those suckers are sensitive to sound. Yep, just spooked one right by the bank there, just breaking this up. This is a bite on worm. I saw that. Close rod. Something bounced her. Boy, that water is actually warm back there. That's the reason why they're piled up here. This is a little a spring, which, at 35 degrees out, the air temperature, it kind of makes sense they'd be back there. Spring's only like 50, 55 degrees, if that. Still, it's warmer than the air temperature. It's definitely warmer than that river water. That river water is like 35, maybe 36 degrees. We get a lot of water from Canada down here. A lot of snow, a lot of stuff up north. Keeps this water pretty dang cold. I just didn't like that cast. Oh, fish on, fish on, fish on. Fish on, folks. Fish on. I got my other rod in the way. Yeah, this is a little heavier line. This is like 10 pound or something. So give me just a second here. Got to reel my other line in. Yeah, that's what I didn't want her to do, is go over that other rod. All right. Nice grass carp. About 7 or 8 pounds. Got the line wrapped around her back. Can't land you backwards like that. All right, let's see if we can get this fish in. Yeah, well, we're just gonna let her tire herself out in the sand. And when she's done thrashing, then we'll slide her butt up here. All right, buddy. Give me a break, give me a break, give me a break. Have to be backwards, didn't you? I said I thought I saw something back there. And she just twisted and twisted and twisted and twisted. Hang on, this is going to take me a minute to get this fish off. Oh, yeah, that's about a 7-8. Easy, no problem. That was on worm. Yeah, that fish hit it on the way down. All right. That's that part done. Get that line off you. All right. Show you off to everybody on YouTube. Nice first fish. Nice one. Yeah, about 7-8. Won't go the 10 range, but yeah, she wants to go. I can feel her. So, see you, buddy. Thank you. Yeah, she was tensing up. Get my hands dry here. That was just night crow on the bottom. She hit it on the way down. And I didn't even spook them back there. That's how far they are back there. I could still see them up to the surface. Evidently, I was casting this one out too far. That one was just right on that other side. Yeah, we definitely might be in for a treat, because usually when you catch one, you spook the heck out of them. But I didn't spook them. I did not spook them fish at all. I can still see like 1, 2, 3, 4 of them up by the surface. Thank you. We did have a rain yesterday, so I see that rod. That line went slack right, and then it kept pecking forward. Yeah, she's going again. You don't want to have to start your... It might be the idea. I could just turn the tripod around. You guys get a pretty good angle and try to sneak up on them grass carp over to the right, but God forbid I should be able to try to land on one back there. But I just want to show you folks this for a second. Yeah, you guys see back there? Right where that see him back there? Yeah, that's them back there. That's gonna be tough to get one out of there. Yeah, that's gonna be tough to get him out of there. Thank you, I appreciate that. Yeah, this is not gonna be easy because they are right there, so I don't want to walk up on them too close. You guys still should be able to hear me. Yeah, I see him right there. I'm gonna cast this right ahead of him. Just drop that down. Spook him, Michael. Not spook him. That wasn't far enough down there. Oh, I just spooked one. Dang it. There's a tree right across this too. I didn't even see it. Amazed I ain't gotten snagged yet. Hope he's got it. Got him. Got him. Got him. Fish on, folks. Boy, that's a big one. That's just... See if I can get him out of here now. Good Lord. Got him. See if I can land him. Yep, now I got to try to see if I can land him. Yeah, they're back there. They didn't even care. They're still back there. Get away from the truck, fishy. Get away from the truck. Yeah, that's a big one, too. Whoa, buddy. A little easier with the bait caster, even if it is like 8 pound test. Hit the bread ball. Yeah, that's a 10 or 15. Got you, buddy. I got you. I got you. Give it up. 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 Not ready to give up yet, huh? I got you, buddy. I got you. I got you, buddy. That's a big one. Got one of those buddies back there, huh? Woo. That's number 2 of the day. That's about a 10, maybe 12. Let's get her back. Let's get her back. Let's get her back. All right, buddy. See ya. That's not going to be good. I just got my foot wet. Yeah, I just got my foot wet, folks. Gonna have to dry my shoe off and in the... Oh, got it. Got him. Got him. Fish on. Yeah, that one ran into the school. Fish on, folks. Not worth getting my foot wet. Boy, these are some big ones, too. They're just... Yeah, I gotta get them out of that stuff because they do not want to come out of that stuff down there. Fish on. That's a big one there. There's a 15. Easily a 15. Definitely over 10. Yeah, that one spooked the school because he ran right into the school, and actually, kind of looks like they came right back again. Yeah, I found what they're hitting today, folks. They want bread. Well, if you're just tuning in, happy Turkey Day. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Yeah, you don't get the beautiful Z with the spinning combo, but they're so much easier to land. Yeah, this one won't give up. I just got her to went in the area I could try to land her. This one don't want to give up. Keep her head up, pull her head in. Let her thrash a second. And we shall grab her butt. Oh yeah, that's a 15. That's probably actually near 20. Yeah, so much easier with 2-pound test heavier. That's a 15. Yeah, that's a 15. Woo. Those are some big ones today. Yeah, that's a 15. See you, buddy. Thank you. What the heck? Let's have some fun with them. If I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this with my light rod. This is so not a good idea. This is so not a good idea. I know you guys are yelling, Mike, no, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. All right. If I'm gonna do this, I'm bringing you folks down with me. I might as well take my little spinning combo. Might as well see. Might as well see. You guys know what kind of luck I have with bringing tripods close to water. We're gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna put some rocks on it. So, thank you, folks. I appreciate you for coming in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm gonna get back on these fish. Try to not keep falling in. These rocks are. They're so dang slippery you can't stand on them. Mine's just not that. Got him. Oh, he pulled off again. Dang it! Crap! What the heck happened that time? What's wrong with the line here? I think quite a bit slower too, hopefully. Got him. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on, folks. Oh, they're thrashing back there. Fish about banked himself. Get out of them rocks. Come this way, fishy. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Fish on. Oh, there he goes. And out of the pool. I gotta get back with you, folks. That was on corn. Oh, yeah, these guys are brutes. These guys have got some muscle to them today. Almost looks like a bass in that water at that angle. And I got a tree right here. So I'm trying to keep their heads up so they don't bury in that thing. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think he's done yet. I'm letting times blowing blood out. Smack me in the hand. You see that? Or just smack my hand. Get away, get away, get away. Human, don't touch me, human. That's an 8 or 10. Yeah, you don't, when you try to pick them up, do not lift too heavily against their gill rickers. Because they're, the bottoms of them are pretty fragile. So all you want to do is just guide them up. If you have to put body weight on them, he bit me. Ow, quit it. My hands are cold. Quit it. Sucker. Get the hook out of you. Sucker won't hold still. Can't get the hook out of it. I got him right on the cartilage in the jaw. All right, I got it. That's number 4 for today, folks. I got green on their heads today. All right, buddy. See ya. Let's go back to the fire and warm up. Hey, it's 35 degrees out here. The drier, the better. Should take more than a minute or two to dry these suckers off pretty quick. All right, I feel better. That's just about dry. Toasty. Yeah, I know I'm closed up too. Big deal. The other foot didn't get too bad. I think it'll be okay. Should get my rod back out here just to set it here, but just drying off here. Yep, I did it. I got her just a little bit too hot. What I say about small fire, just a little bit too big. Whew. I guess that's about everything. Yeah, that's about everything. I will just, folks, have a nice view of the evening and nice view of the little fire burning, a little roaring fire. Hope you have a wonderful holiday, and I will see you folks on the next one. Appreciate you folks coming in, and so you have a happy Thanksgiving, my friends. See you.